the second phase of the profits. You can imagine. Look at this place. This is just today. They are all 0.03 loss size, all true. You can imagine how the market is pulling up. The same thing I've been analyzing. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and remain focused and turn on the notification bell to ensure that you get all the videos. I will continue doing the same thing the same way every now and then to ensure that you understand it. To trade with assurance. So let's take our profits. Remember, I told you that the target is 1930, and currently the price is at 1929.34. So certainly, whether or not it's meeting 1930, of course it will, but at least we've been able to prove something. So it's a real account. I started it new just to integrate us into the system, because if I use a very big account, most of us may think, oh, I am doing this because it's a big money, something like that. So the profit for today, as you can see, is 775 euros, and of course there was a swap for the entries made area. So this morning, so you can imagine it's a new account. As you can see, we can all also witness how we grow the account. So in 3 days, I made a profit of over 1,200 euros in 3 days. In 3 days. That's amazing. Using 0.03 loss size, all true. That's an amazing move. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell and remain in the channel to get all our notifications. And also make sure you watch our videos to the end. Where any place you don't understand anything, just ask questions. By the time I will post this strategy consistently, and of course we will get to, it was even 800 and I was misquoting it. I'm talking about the profit for today. So it's above 800 euros. So like I was saying, watch our videos to the end, and God willing, we will all get to understand this strategy. My intention is for everyone to make money in the market, because otherwise I have been directing, and of course most people will be like, why are you not showing us? Of course, when you check the comments in most of the videos I have posted previously, you will see this kind of comment. Why are you not showing us analysis? Why posting only the profits? So now you have seen how we